What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. My name is Steve, and I really appreciate you being here. I'm here in the garage with my mechanic, Adam. Say hi.
Hi.
Yep. He got a fresh new haircut, so he's feeling fly. Anyway, so finally got myself a trickle charger for the Civic, which is awesome. The battery is always like a half a second from dead because I don't drive the car. So I did get a trickle charger. And I'm gonna bounce that between the Civic and the Integra until I can afford to get another one. Yeah, so aside from that, I started painting my car black, okay? I really like this. I really like the look of the black. I decided I am gonna continue with it. I know some of you may just be screaming at me, but I'm gonna be using Rustoleum again. This is not a show car. It's just not. It's a garage, will eventually be a street car. I don't intend on doing anything with it. Other than that, I just can't stand the gray. Yeah, you can check my wiper fluid. So yeah, I also got a quarter of it. That's all they had. I'll be picking up another one tomorrow. I have an HVLP electric sprayer that I'm gonna be using to spray it down. So, you know, it is what it is. It's going black.
2,000 years later.
The garage is empty, but the car's outside. So, as we've covered before, I'm painting the car, painting the Civic. I do not like the gray. For some reason, my intercooler is like way off to the side. I gotta fix that, that's ugly. But regardless, I'm gonna be sanding it down with 600 grit and then giving it a wash, and then bringing it in to dry and cleaning it off, and then we'll be painting it. So yeah, say goodbye to the ugly gray. Alrighty guys, so we got it completely sanded down and Adam helped me rinse, but now it's time to wash. So since I'm not painting today, I'm gonna give it a good full soapy sudsy wash. And then I will also go again with like Dawn dish soap to degrease everything. So we're gonna be using Mr. Pink in the foam cannon, and just, I'm not even gonna go crazy with it. Just spray it on, let it sit, rinse it off. So, all right y'all, let's do it. Alrighty guys, so I'm a dumbass. Totally left my license plates on. I don't know why I sanded around them and washed around them, but easy enough. I'll take those off and I'll just do it by hand. But dang, don't be like me. Don't be like me.
Later that same evening.
Alright y'all, so we're like 4 coats deep at this point. Man, looks so much better than the gray. It just looks so much better. Damn, look at that. I have a couple runs. Definitely need to sand out some gunk. You know? But damn, so much better than the gray. So I am going to continue. I'm gonna spray another 3 coats, even though it's kind of absurd. Do another 3 coats, and then I'm gonna peel it tonight, and then that's gonna be that. So I'm gonna get to it, and yeah, man, look at that. All right, y'all, there she is. flak.